Okay, sir. Today,
Yes,
our
we
chief
can start. Yeah.
yes, sir. Today, our chief guest is Mr. Eswaramoorthy, business unit head of LLS Automation Division. He is having 19 plus year experience in industrial automation. Completed his UG in mechatronics stream, E1 PG in engineering design at Anna University. Having good knowledge in automation, SBM building, handled more than 100 projects. Then we start with questions.
Okay, sir. Let me ask first question, sir. What makes you to lead?
Before going into detail, as you said, I started my career in mechatronics. So after did my schoolings, I completed my UG in mechatronics. Then I stepped into CNC manufacturing automation company. So at that time, I started first 2 years in a learning stage. So I learned mechanical at that time and the beginning of my career. Then later I moved to mechatronics, that is CNC programming and control side. So almost 5 years, my journey was with learning and execution of my projects. So after 5 years, I started doing projects with my own, start doing with the team lead, and I practiced for another 5 years. So after with the 5 years, we have many failures, challenges, and learnings, and we make projects very successful. After a decade, I start leading the team. At that time, we were around team. I lead a complete head of my automation team. Actually, I started a career in short pen automation. Then I moved to LMW, Lakshmi Eswaramoorthy Limited. At that time only, we have started the department for automation. So almost 16 years, I am associated with LMW. So I headed the automation and we done many projects. So our management have witnessed my progress and the successful story. So then me to heading the LLS plant, that automation division plant. So past 3 months, I am acting as BH for the plant. So my dedication to the work and my passion for the automation makes me to lead this role for this. I think you got the answer for this question. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Our second question is, what is your long-term goal, sir? Your long-term goal.
So long-term goal, now our company, this LLS is around 150 crore company. And we for 3 years goal, we have a target of 500 crores. My long-term goal is to achieve 1,000 crore company. That is our long-term goal. Yeah.
Okay, it's nice. Third question is, talk about your daily routine as BUHs.
So my daily routine. When we reach office, I will reach office very early. Our office time start at 8 o'clock, so I will reach early before 7:30. So after reaching, I will start a walk around factory. So observe the factory whether all is in right position. So very clean and so people who operating as per safety norms, everything will be observed. If any deviation observed, I will be noted down and come back. Then we start our sunrise meeting in the morning. So at the time we will start reviewing the DWM, that is daily work management. So what is the actual compared to the plan? So if any deviation which occurred earlier, that is yesterday, so it will be reviewed why was not happened. So proactive measures will be taken for that one. And horizontally, the team will be deputed for this one, and we address the instruction to the team to overcome the problem. And we will have a proper review in the day, if required in the mid of that day, and we ensure that delay has been progressively moved, and in the day we will be again reviewed. This will be the daily sunrise meeting will be reviewed, and I have the schedule for the day, whether we have meetings with for business development or review with the team or with the suppliers or customers will be reviewed, and accordingly we will be moving up. So the main thing is that review is the main key to make our work very effectively and efficiently. So this thing which will be rolling a day. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Our fourth question is, how do you foster innovation with your organization? Please encourage employee to bring new ideas.
So innovation, we have the policy in our organization, Kaizen. That is, Kaizen means incremental improvement. So we have a scheme. So employees can participation in the suggestion scheme or Kaizen. So they can give their inputs, any improvement activities. If they thought of something, they can register this Kaizen and they can improvement, and they give their ideas, and they can experiment the Kaizen, and they can implement the Kaizen, and we will be rewarding their Kaizens based on the we will measure in terms of QCD, quality, cost, and deliverables. So in measuring this one, and we can reward the persons, and every month we'll be rewarding the person, and as well as for cost reduction activities, we will be giving the rewards to encourage the employee. And also we will be ensuring the participation level in the team is 100%. So keep on, we will be giving training to the persons to how to participate in this one, and this makes the persons to give more innovative ideas, and our organization and our management is very keen to encourage the employee. So every quarter we will give rewards to the persons and motivate others to participate also. Yes.
And our final question is, how do you measure success of organization?
To measure the success of the organization is the turnover, obviously. So what is the turnover we rolled out, and with the EBITDA, so how much EBITDA is there, and moreover employee value addition. So what is the EVA for the company, so how much employees will be effectively placed to increase our turnover. And main thing is that employee satisfaction, that has to be measured. So measuring the attrition rate of the company. So EVS measure one, and how the work is there for the employee to grow. So the growth of the employee is also measured. So every year, growth of the company will be measured along with the employees' growth as well. So these are the key factors which will be taken into account for the growth of the organization. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, so let us conclude this interview.
Sir, thank you for the wonderful and informative session, sir. Heartfelt thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Gugan and Dharnish. And I think we have openings for you as well in your team. So do a good job, and it's a wonderful opportunity to you have a UG course there, and you can have hands-on experience in your career, and you can apply for this one. And we are also recruiting in embedded side for the engineers, and as well as mechanical engineers for CAD design. So please get in experimental oriented rather than theoretical. So you have a good opportunity in the industry as well. So thank you, and all the best for the SNS. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Please.